What is up, guys? I just now found an awesome glitch, okay? So, look, you get something really tiny. Right now I have this thing, and I'm not sure if that's the only thing it works with. If nothing else works, then that might be the case. But, so you see, I have a giant build right here, right? So you stick this on there, and then you take this and you stick it on there. Now, this has to be the dominant item that you, like, hold everything by. You put that on there, and you scan it. Now, you may be like, hey, Gunnar, where are you going with this? What's the point of this? Look. It makes all the items really tiny. And it's hilarious. But I don't know if anyone else can do it. Because I've not tested this in a public yet. But all you need is a tiny little thing. So right now, I'm going to go check it in public and see if anyone can see it. Okay. Win? Oh, what's up? You want to see something? I found a really cool glitch, in my opinion. I call this a glitch.
Ooh, I'm gonna take that.
Do you see how tiny it is? But do you see how tiny it is, though?
Important to announce. All three of you. All three of you.
It's a gun. You can
very
shoot.
important to announce.
Yeah. Do you see how tiny it is, though?
Guys,
I can make any item tiny with this glitch I found.
you wanna know what
Join the private code.
Okay, I'm gonna go mess around with this
It's
and see if I can make anything I would say, in my opinion, is cool. Okay, I'll uncut it when I find something good. Okay, found an apple in my stash. We're going to attempt to make a revolver really tiny. So as you remember, you take this water, do this, do that, do that, that. Take this, toss it in there. Make sure you have an empty slot. Scan that. Do want to keep this, so let's just set that on that group right there. Okay, I thought that went in the ground for a minute. Okay, so okay, success. Now, probably just gonna eat the apple. What happens if I do? Oh, I just ate a revolver! So, theoretically, this was hard to see the revolver. I am gonna adjust it though, because this is kind of. Wait. I should know how to dot. Can I make it smaller? Because that apple, I think it's small, but you know, you gotta try it. Like, it's super small, but can I make it? That's the question. Right? Y'all gotta agree, that is a good question. Shut there. 11 seconds. No, I think I need to 11 seconds. Oh my god. It's so tiny. It still works. What? What? It worked. This is what it was before. You can't even see. Wait, I gotta do this with. This is the coolest glitch I've ever seen. I swear, if they patch this, I'm gonna be so angry. Give me the really tiny one. Make it hard to see. Okay. Oh, I know. Freaking cool to me. Up. Clear the path. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no, I messed up. I messed the glitch up. Okay. Yeah, so this one will work. Yeah. Hey, got rid of the goop, though. Can you eat the apple, though? So, it kind of worked, but not at all, actually. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm lying. So, I want the gun to be facing the same direction. That. What? Okay. this to be facing the same direction. Yes. Okay, that should work perfect. Give me. Shit. Actually, don't eat that. What are you doing? We need that for testing. Ah! Oh, it so worked. Wait. Oh, this is the greatest invention. I'm so happy. Like, bro, I never expected that to... I can make the tiniest item in the game. Oh, wait, this is kind of actually a really bad thing. Because I can just keep making something smaller and smaller and smaller. Oh, wait, that's actually bad. Wait, does this work in the other way? In the other... Can I make things big? They need to have a stash of it. This is annoying going back and forth. Okay, set the real apple. I mean, technically the non-real apple would work, but... can I make things giant, though? Because you think, right? If I can make things really tiny, I could probably make things really big, right? And that's just my knowledge. That thing's flies. That seems like a good idea. Okay. Oh wait, that actually saved itself. Okay, dude. Where you going? Just sit up here, sit. Oh wait, no, slide. Go in that corner. Yeah, go right there. Stay. And this. This feels tiny. I don't know why. So there. Clear. And oh, I don't own micro broccoli bomb. Huh. Not playing. If it does work or not. Wait, this is actually really freaking cool. Like, this is a cool glitch. Like, don't get me wrong, it's kind of really bad for the game, but it's cool at... Bro, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. BAM! Normal size rocket, but it's still cool. Those are not regular ration. Wait, what if I shrink this? Because, like, this is big, right? This is a big... Oh, I just ate it. I was like, where'd it go? I ate it. Fatty. Don't explode it this time. Don't eat it either. Okay, so... Oh! Ah! It makes me annoyed every single time it happens. So... do this. Yes. Okay. Now, let's see if I can re-shrink everything here. Let's see. Oh, it took it. It took it. No, why would you do that? What are you doing? Oh, clear. Dumbass. So, if I... I wonder, could I don't know. Bingo. So if I eat this, will it give me that effect? No, it don't. Now this is a work of art right here. This is freaking awesome. What? What's up with this? Okay. So let's bring this back because it's cool. But you know, there is no but. This is just a really cool thing. So, guys, this is where I'm going to end it now. See y'all in the next one. Hope you guys like this shorter video. Peace out.